Do you have bloating or gas, especially after meals? Does your face feel puffy and inflamed? Or do you suffer from frequent constipation? Or do you have bad breath or an offensive body odor? Do you feel exhausted and fatigued most of the time? Or do you suffer from frequent colds and flu? And lastly, have you tried everything to lose weight, but the weighing scale just doesn't move? If you have said yes to more than one question, then you are probably in a state of toxic overload. Now, what that means is that your major detox organs like liver and colon are sluggish and overstressed. Our bodies have evolved over thousands of years and have tolerated most of the toxins that were present in the environment. After World War II, industrialization have multiplied our exposure to harmful substances to incalculable levels. Let me use this analogy to explain this better. Imagine this bucket is your body. Now, only in the last 75 years, more than 80,000 chemicals have been created. Toxins are everywhere, from the air we breathe in, to the water we drink and bathe with, and of course the food that we eat. Now, when you have a huge influx of something and a small outlet, eventually it results in toxic levels in a body to rise. When this happens, our metabolism loses its adaptability and slows down. We start to experience various symptoms like weight gain, headaches, brain fog, frequent gas, bloating, inflammation, skin rashes, etc. Eventually, if these symptoms are ignored for too long, our body cannot cope up with this toxic burden, which then ultimately results in diseases like autoimmune and cancer. I'm Akash and welcome to my course, the Fab Detox Diet, where I will give you a step-by-step 11-day detox diet that will help you to lose up to 10 pounds in 11 days. You can expect your digestion to improve, you'll have mental and emotional clarity, and your hormonal fluctuations will stabilize. With removal of toxic burden from your body, you will achieve balance, your energy level will rise, your immune system will be strengthened, that will enable you to cope more effectively with common illnesses. Your skin will clear up of any acne or skin rashes. And lastly, you'll feel more relaxed with an overall increased sense of well-being. The 11-day Fab Detox Diet is divided into three main phases. The first phase is the elimination phase, which is from day 1 to day 5. The second phase is the juicing phase, which is the 6th day. And the last phase, which is the maintenance phase, is from day 7 to day 11. The lectures are very detailed and will provide you everything that you need to make this detox diet a success. You will find recipes for the meals, salads, smoothies and juices, along with the shopping list. Absolutely no guesswork. You will know what to eat every few hours, every day for the next 11 days. No guesses, no confusion. Just follow this diet as it is, and I can promise you will get great results.